Mastering in case statements. Turn talk into action. Hello, English language learners around the world. Welcome to a new video on our conversational English series. Today, we'll be diving into the realm of in case statements. These phrases can make your English sound more natural and nuanced. They're especially useful when you're making indirect requests or offers. Let's dive right in and get our conversational skills up a notch. In case statements are used when we want to refer to a possible situation in the future that might occur, and we want to prepare for it or avoid it. For example, take an umbrella, in case it rains. Here, in case is used to show that we are preparing for the possibility of rain. It makes our language more polite and thoughtful. Now, why are in case statements important? Well, they make your conversations smoother and more polite. They help you express uncertainty or precautions. They're also an essential tool when making requests or offers indirectly. To form an in-case statement, you need two parts. 1. The action we take to prepare for the possible situation. 2. The possible situation introduced by in case. For example, I will bring some extra snacks in case we get hungry. The first part is the action, I will bring some extra snacks, and the second part is the possible situation, we get hungry. To help you put this into practice, let's go over some group activities. Activity 1. Role-playing scenarios. In this activity, you'll be given various scenarios, like planning a trip or preparing for a party. You have to use in-case statements to discuss plans and contingencies. Activity 2. Storytelling round robin. In this game, one person starts a story with an in-case statement, and then the next person continues it, adding their own in-case statement, and so on. This activity will not only help you practice in-case statements, but it will also spur your creativity. Activity 3. Problem solving. In this activity, one person presents a problem, and the other suggests solutions using in-case statements. For example, if the problem is, I always forget to water the plants, a solution could be, set a daily alarm in case you forget. Remember, practicing in real-life contexts is the best way to grasp language constructs. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. And that wraps up our lesson on in-case statements. We hope this has been informative and fun. Practice these activities with your friends, classmates, or language learning groups. Remember, the key to mastering English, or any language, is consistent practice. So keep using in-case statements in your everyday conversations, and you'll see progress in no time. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.